Christina Blanchard here with the Rich Roomy Yoga, just about to get started with a Friday flow for fun and to start the weekend off on the right foot. Maybe the left foot, but either foot, just the best foot. Join me on the mat. So we'll begin with a few deep breaths and then we get started. Woo! Gonna go, baby. Let's take an inhale. Inhale, hold it up, take a breath, and exhaling as you go down, releasing any negative energy you have and bringing in all that yummy, fun weekend ideas. And let's rise up again, hold it, and exhaling as you go down to the ground, my dear friends. All right, rise up again. And this time, just bring it center, and we'll begin with some outstretched arms, and bring your hands forward. And what I'd like to do today is practice a little balancing. I was gonna do it off camera and then come back, but I didn't get to it. So, hey, let's do it together. And if I fall on my face, you can just throw me a kiss. All right, here we go. Because I haven't been doing balancing. I guess you noticed that, but here, let's get going. All right, so let's take one foot and you can put your toe on the ground. See yourself rooted. All right, that's the first thing I think is really important, is seeing yourself rooted in the ground, focused on and centering yourself. Myself, I'm gonna center myself. Okay, now let's see if I can get this going. Raise one foot. Clearly that was enough. I got distracted. And that's what happens. All right, centered and focused. Let's see if I can do it this way this time. All right. My knee is bent slightly. You can't really see that. My eyes are focused on something. And drop it down. Deep breath. Exhale. Let's raise one foot behind you. See how far up you can go. I'm trying my best here. Stay balanced. It's not one of those days. Bring it back. Exhale, it's gonna be better. Okay, enough of that. I'll be practicing that off camera first. Okay, let's go with some stretching. Okay, forward fold, all the way, all the way. Deep breath, exhale, and let's walk it out. Walk, 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 walk. Meet me in downward facing dog. Take a deep breath. And then you wonder, all right, let's move forward into a plank pose. Okay, on your toes in plank pose. Let's do this. All right, roll onto your toes. And you can even flatten your toes and bring your head back. Hold it. Now curl your toes back, push your bottom up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Good job. I really like this little flow. It's so much fun. Yummy Friday fun. All right, here, let's get going. All right, let's move back into that plank pose. And this time, we're gonna roll over. Roll over on your feet. And then raise your legs. Oh my goodness, my balance today. Okay, drop that down. Let's roll over to the other side. Raise your arm in the air, tidy up your body, keep your hips away from the floor. Breathing, roll back into your plank pose, and then push it back into downward facing dog. Drop your elbows down to the ground. And let's just rest here for a moment in a dolphin. And keep your head forward. And you can walk. This is also really good for building strength in your arms. Okay, and your thighs. Okay, and then walk up a little. Raise one foot in the air. Woo! Hold it. And then bring it down. Working on that really cool pose they do. You can see them in their little yoga outfits, all cutie pootie, doing that flip other foot. You know, they put both feet up here like this. Man, they gotta have some strong arms, because I am not ready. Take a deep breath, exhale, and bring it back. Woo! Drop your knees down. Woo, let's lay down for a second in a little baby pose. A yummy baby pose. Bring your arms back. Lock your hands behind your back. And bring them forward. Bring them forward. And unlock your hands and bring them down. Your head is on the mat. That's great. Keep it on the ground. Curl your toes under wherever you are and push your booty up. And we'll see, what that feels like. Right? Okay, see what that feels like on your head? Okay, you can get up on your toes. As long as you have your balance, right? Keep your balance. And this I can do. Methinks. Okay. There we go. You can switch feet. Do that. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And let's see how far back I can go with this foot in the back without falling on that booty. I think that's about it. Okay, let's go. Come on down. Feel the ground with your knees, please. Rise up into hero pose and hold it there for 3 breaths. You can close your eyes, it feels really good. Oh, yeah, that was good. Now let's do some head rotation. Drop your head down, swirl it around. Do not raise your shoulders. Just rotate it slowly, slowly in one direction. Just easy, be easy on yourself. All right, this is about feeling good. This is about healing. It's a real healing yoga. Because, okay, inhale as you rise. And then reach that peak in the back. You can exhale. And take another inhale and then exhaling as you drop down. Ooh. Okay, last one in this direction. Let's go. Come on. All those little computer geeks, get your heads rolling. All right, now let's roll it around and then exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Now, reverse. I'm doing it slow today because I feel like it needs to be done. You can stretch your arms out if you like. Just don't work out your arms. We're not working out on the arms, we're trying to relax our neck, our head, that thing that we use all the time. Ow! And, you know, all our nerve endings go through our neck. Okay, rise up, let's kind of look. Hello! Oh, how did that feel? I really love that. It's not a pose. It's not a, I don't think it's a yoga thing. Anyway, it's just something I do. It feels good. I don't have neck pain anymore, so. Hey, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this fun Friday flow. And let it go. Don't hold any tension in. Don't hold your stresses in. Have a good day. Just tell yourself, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Keep that in your head today. I love you. Mwah. See you later.